Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math algebra problem. And here we have a square minus b square equals to 49, and here we find the value of a and the value of b. So this is the our target. So now the very first step we are going to do is, here first you see in the left hand side, this is the very famous algebraic formula. So we will apply this formula, and when we can use here, it will becomes a plus b times of a minus b equals to 49. So here you focus on the left hand side, and you see that we have two factors which are multiplied by each other. So now we will make two factors in the right hand side. So now first we compare these two factors, and you see that our a plus b is always greater than or equals to a minus b. So now we make the factors of 49 which satisfies these condition. So now first we can find the factors in which you get the product of two numbers equals to 49. So these numbers are 1 multiplied by 49 equals to 49, and the second possibility is 49 multiplied by 1 is also 49, and the third possibility is 7 times of 7 is also 49. So we have these three possibilities, and now we can check that which of these possibilities are satisfied this condition. So here you see that our first factor is greater than or equals to second factor. So here you see that our first factor is 1 and the second factor is 49. So you see that 1 is less than 49. So it is first factor is not greater than second factor, so that we will reject this first case. And now when we compare the second case, so here you have 49 and 1, and you see that 49 is greater than 1, so it is satisfied this condition. So we choose this case, and after that you see here these two values, and we can say that 7 equals to 7, so it is also satisfies this condition, so we choose this case also. So that here we have two possibilities or two cases in which we solve this equation. So now we our first case is we take a plus b equals to 49 and a minus b equals to 1. So this is the our first case, and here we write the second case. So our second case is a plus b equals to 7 and a minus b equals to 7. So we have these two possibilities, and now for we can solve the first case. So in this case we call this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2, and now first we add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when you add these two equations, then you see here a plus a becomes 2 times of a, and this b positive and negative are cancelled by each other. So we have 2a equals to 49 plus 1 equals to 50, and we move this 2 to the right hand side, and we get our a equals to 50 divided by 2. And now we simplify the terms, and you cancel this by this, and you see that 2 to the 4 and 2 5s are 10. So here we obtain the value of a equals to 25. So now we substitute the value of a in the given or in equation number 2, and we easily get the value of b. So here we substitute, put the value in equation number 2. So this is our equation number 2, and we put the value of a equals 25 here, and we obtain 25 minus b equals to 1. So we move this minus b to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side, and it will becomes 25 minus 1 equals to b. So we easily get the value of b equals to 24. So our first solution set becomes in this form: the value of ab equals to 25 and 24. So this is the value of a and b which we get from case number 1, And now we move towards our case number 2. So this is our case number 2, and we call this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. So we first add equation number 3 and equation number 4. So when we add these two equations, then you get here 2 times of a, because you see that positive and negative b are cancelled by each other, and we get a plus a is 2a, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So we move this 2 to the right hand side, and we get a equals to 14 over 2, and we cancel these terms, and you get 2 sevens are 14. So we get the value of a equals to 7 in this case. So now we substitute the value of a equals to 7 in equation number 4, and we easily get the value of b. So here we put this value in equation number 4. So this is our equation number 4, a minus b equals to 7, and we put a equals to 7 here, and we get 7 minus b equals to 7. So here we move this minus b to the right hand side and 7 to the left hand side, and we get 7 minus 7 equals to b. So the 7 minus 7 becomes 0, and we get the value of b equals to 0. So in this case, we get the values of a and b is in this form. Our a is 7 and b is 0. So in the next step, we verify these two solutions. Is these two solutions satisfied our given question statement or not? So now here we first copy down the given question statement, which is a square minus b square equals to 49. So this is the our question statement, and we will verify these two solutions here. And now first we check this solution, and here we have ab equals to 25 and 24. So we substitute the value of a and b in the left hand side of this equation, and we get 25 square minus 24 square equals to 49. And here you see that 25 square becomes 625, and 24 square equals to 576, and this whole equation equals to 49. So 625 minus 576 equals to 49, and this 49 equals to 49. So this shows that this solution satisfies our given question statement. And now we check this solution, so that here we substitute the value of a and b. It is 7 and 0 in the left hand side of this equation, and we see that we have 7 square minus 0 square equals to 49. So we know that 7 square becomes 49 equals to 49. So this shows that the second solution, which is ab equals to 7 0, is also satisfies our given question statement. So this shows that a b equals to 25 4 and ab equals to 7 0 be the two solutions of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.